5. Today we will revise together chapter 3, okay, and we will talk about heat energy, okay. As we know, heat is defined as a type of energy that transfers from hot object to cold one, okay. We have many sources of heat. We classify the sources of heat into natural source and artificial source. Natural source as sun is considered a natural source of heat energy on Earth's surface, while artificial source of heat we have many examples of artificial source of heat like candles, fire, and so on. We use heat energy in our daily life in many purposes. Number 1, heat can keep us warm. Also, heat is needed to dry our clothes, and heat is used to cook and warm up our food. And we will express about the heat energy by using a term known as temperature. What's meant by temperature? Temperature, a degree that expresses the hotness or coldness of the object, okay? And we have also the measuring unit used to measure temperature, known as degree Celsius. We need a device to help us to measure the exact temperature of the substance. This device known as thermometer. So, thermometer, a device used to measure temperature accurately, okay? We have many types of thermometer, okay? We have many types of thermometer. Type number 1, clinical thermometer, which known as medical thermometer. Type 2, wall thermometer. And 3, a data logger and temperature sensor, okay? And number 4, Celsius thermometer. Number 1, clinical thermometer used to measure body temperature. Clinical thermometer, okay, a type of thermometer used to measure body temperature and known as medical thermometer also. Wall thermometer used to measure temperature of surrounding, okay, while data logger and temperature sensor used together to measure and record the temperatures of the specific object or location accurately, okay. The clinical thermometer may be mercury thermometer or digital thermometer, okay. We note that medical thermometer contain colored liquid, okay, which usually mercury, the liquid inside the medical thermometer or Celsius thermometer, usually mercury, okay, where mercury is only liquid metal, okay, and characterized by many properties, okay, like number 1, it's only a liquid metal. Number 2, it's a good conductor of heat, so it can rise up and fall down according to the temperature. And also, it's regular expanding materials, and it has very important characteristics as don't stick on the wall of the glass tube inside thermometer. Comparing heat and temperature. We know that if we have two glasses, glass A and glass B, okay, they contain water at the same temperature, but glass A contains less water than glass B, okay. If the amount of water increases, logically we need more heat energy to heat up, okay. By increasing the amount of water, okay, we need also more heat energy to heat up the water, okay. Again, more energy is needed to heat up a great amount of water. If you have a glass C and a glass D, okay, both of them have the same amount of water, but at different temperature, where glass C, the temperature 50 degrees Celsius, and glass D, 100 degrees Celsius, okay. If we have the same amount of water at the same temperature, we need more heat energy to increase the water temperature of anyone, okay? So, from the previous examples, Heat is defined as a form of energy that transfers from hot object to cold one, or from hot objects or hotter surrounding to cold one, from higher temperature object to lower temperature object. Okay, so the heat always travels in one direction, flow in one direction. Okay, thank you, year 5. Thank you for your good listening, and goodbye.